Welcome! In front of me I have Hama Fit Watch 5910 and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. If you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try to stay still, don't move too much, basically. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Okay, so let's continue with the heart rate measurement. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, swipe left on the screen, and after you open the menu, you should see the heart rate option. Tap on it, and now the watch should start measuring your heart rate automatically. And here we have it. This number will jump around because the watch is measuring the heart rate in the real time. But once it stabilizes, that means it's your current heart rate. Okay. If you're done measuring your heart rate, you can press the side button to go back. If for some reason your watch is not measuring the heart rate, you can go back to home screen. Swipe right on the screen to open the shortcut menu, and here we have the option called continuous heart rate, and if it's disabled, your watch won't measure your heart rate, so make sure that this option is enabled like this. Okay, and that's how you measure the heart rate on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.